Oh my god, mukha ako McDonald's. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, gagawin ko yung aking makeup demo for the Detail Makeover Ecru Squad palette. Ecru or Ecru. So, kung hindi mo pa napanood yung Autumn Eyeshadow Palette, you have to watch it. I'm gonna link it up here or down below at the description box. Or better yet, punta ka sa page ko sa YouTube and makikita mo yun. So today we're going to proceed yung partner niya or yung sister niya, which is the Ecru Squad palette. And let me just ang dumi. So the palette looks like this. And I'm so sorry guys kung it's super butchered na kasi ilang beses ko na siyang ginamit. Especially this color right here. I think it's my most favorite out of all the shades. So let me just show you. So yan ang up close. I'm really sorry, hindi na siya ganun ka-presentable. Ito kasi nilagyan ko ng I dip it here and then I dip it here. That's how weird I am. So honestly, sa color selection, you guys, majority is nude-ish, which is over here, and then merong deeper color over here. And then you also have a fairly good-sized mirror, just like the Autumn palette. Very compact, just like the Autumn palette. They're basically the same. So kailangan panoorin mo yung first video ko for you to know and, you know, for you to have extra info about it. So let's go. So guys, please forgive my ugly nails. Hindi pa ako nakakabalik sa nail salon. And my favorite nail salon is Mom and Me, by the way, sa Trinoma. Hindi pa ako nakakabalik, so wala pa akong time. I'm really sorry, pero alam mo yun, kailangan ko na gawin tong video na to. Color I'm going to use is this one right here, Thatch Brown. So I'm just going to use that as my transition color. And for some reason, you guys, itong palette na to, itong Ecru, it is less powdery than the Autumn palette. And the next color I'm going to use is this one right here, my favorite shade. And it's called Superior Bronze. And then I'm just going to apply it all over my lids. I am going to be generous and I'm gonna go all out. Something so good. We are onto something so beautiful. I'm gonna get my fluffy brush again and then just erase yung mga harsh lines. And the next I'm going to do is I'm going to get a parang pencil eyeshadow brush, yung medyo patulis. And then I'm going to pick up Andiron, which is the dark color. And ito talaga, ay Diyos ko Lord. Ito talaga, you have to be very careful kasi marami siyang kick up, ma-powdery siya and all that. So I'm just gonna pick that up and then maglalagay lang ako sa outer V's. Yeah, over here and then over here. Slowly but surely. Ayan. And it's so pigmented. Napaka-pigmented ng black. Using the same brush na ginamit ko dun sa Superior Bronze, I am going to slowly but surely blend it in. And then ever so slightly dito sa crease. Para lang magkaroon ng dimension, diba? And then guys, kukuha ako ng very tiny little bit of concealer. And then ilalagay ko siya dito sa middle. I'm just dabbing it, spreading it a little bit. Flat shader brush from Madame Ant's brush set. I'm going to get this color, golden. And then, i-apply ko siya sa middle. Ayan, nararamdaman ko po ang fallout. As long as I got you in my life. Hey, I'm happy to be with you. Hey, it's a sunshine. Teeny tiny brush like this. Kukuha ulit ako ng Superior Bronze. Very konti lang. And I just want a flawless, you know, transition from golden papunta dun sa Superior Bronze. Dito lang sa gilid. I'm gonna do my brows ng very quick, then I'll be back. done with my entire face. Ngayon naman, asikasuhin natin yung bottom lashes. So, from the palette, I'm going to take yung flat shader brush from the Madame Anne Klitz brushes, and then I'm gonna get this color, yung Superior Bronze, and then ilalagay ko lang siya all over my bottom lashes. Just like that. And then I'm going to get golden, and then yun yung ilalagay ko dito sa probably 1/4. Going to the inner corners. I am not yet that satisfied sa inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna get my JCat Beauty highlighter. And then nadagdagan ko lang yung inner corners. Wala pa akong blush, so I'm just gonna swirl my brush dun sa tatlo. Yes guys, that is possible, and I just did that because it just gives me a unique blush color. Well, not really unique, but pwede na, you know? So, for the lips guys, oh my god, alam niyo ba, I think yung first time ko maka-encounter ng metallic lips is from Detail Makeover when I saw sa Instagram nila, Instagram nga ba yun, Facebook, na they have Stanic mattes. I've got this for a very, very long time na. I have a lip swatch video of the Stanic matte lipstick. I don't know if they still have this. Check natin. Ooh, February 2. Yes, meron pa rin sila ng Stanic matte lipstick. So, for this look, I think I'm gonna go with Polaris. Let's try. Guys, I am back. So this is the first look that I was able to create using the Ecru or Ecru. I still don't know how to pronounce it. The Ecru Squad palette. Yes. So parang lang siyang combination ng slight burgundy and bronzy and goldy colors. And then dito sa lips ko, as you can see, semi-ombre siya. Nilagyan ko kasi ng canopus dito sa gitna para magkaroon ng, you know, slight depth to it. So yeah, I hope you were able to enjoy my first makeup look. And okay, so bago tayo mag-move on sa iba pang mga looks, I'm gonna give you my very, very quick review. Honestly, you guys, akala ko dun sa dalawang palette, yung autumn palette and this one, mas magugustuhan ko yung autumn palette because it has dark colors, it has burnt orange colors that I think everyone loves, and parang alam mo na napapanahon ngayon. Pero habang lumilipas yung mga araw, yung mga linggo, since I bought these palettes, parang mas nagustuhan ko na to. Akala ko kasi mas bongga yung magagawa kong makeup looks using the autumn palette. But no, unti-unti kong mas na-appreciate yung palette na to because I can create looks that are smoky and bodacious. But then I can also create looks that are subtle and for everyday wear. I don't know, probably because of this Superior Bronze color. Baka para kaya mas gusto ko tong Ecru or Ecru Squad, ha? For me, if you have extra budget, go get the two colors. Hindi na siya buy one take one. You can buy it I think isa, so $6.99 isa. If you have extra money, go buy the two colors. Maganda naman siyang pagdagdag sa collection mo. Pero honestly, if I would recommend which one, I think go get this one. Yeah. Yun ang sinasabi ng puso ko. Huwag kayo. Kasi kung bibili mo yung dalawa, $6.99 nasa, so let's say mga 1.4. Makakabili ka ng isang malaking eyeshadow palette, JCat Beauty, meron sigurong Morphe, ColourPop. So, alam mo yun. So, that's my very, very quick review. Be sure to watch yung autumn eyeshadow palette video. And then, okay, so let's proceed with the rest of the eyeshadow looks that you can do with the Detail Makeover Ecru Squad palette. this is the last look that I can give to you. Gaya ng last palette, I can do another one, pero limited talaga ang time. Hanggang 3 lang talaga yung max ko. Okay, so this one is just very subtle, very good for everyday wear. And then naglagay ako ng konting brown dun sa light purple eyeshadow para, you know, magkaroon ng dimension or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. And what else? I think my next video is going to be a wear test. Wear test of what? Yun ang uwangan nyo. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!